Yes, sir. He has just joined, sir.
Okay, he joined now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There is a teamwork and collaboration between a group of people in order to achieve wonderful things, like your goals. It is the key that unlocks the way to acquire positive motivation and to accomplish the success. A very vibrant and light-hearted good afternoon to our dignitaries, faculties, and students. With great joy and immense exultation, we are very pleased to be able to welcome those of you that have been with us for a long time, as well as those who are a new part of your family, to the installation ceremony of Force, hard as concrete and flexible as steel. I, Vaidehi Shivankar, and my co-host Kunal Satdev are the anchors for today's installation ceremony.
I am honored to welcome our chief guest, Dr. A. N. Shrikhande sir, Principal of Kavikulguru Institute of Technology and Science. I am honored to welcome Dr. M. P. Singh sir, Principal of Priyadarshini College of Engineering. Our respected Dr. S. A. Dhale sir, Vice Principal of Priyadarshini College of Engineering. Professor V. S. Gutke sir. Dr. R. M. Dhobale sir, Head of Civil Department of Priyadarshini College of Engineering. Professor V. S. Gutke sir, Department Coordinator of Civil Department. Professor Pranita Bhandari ma'am, Forum in charge of Force Civil Department. All the faculties
This
of Civil
meeting is
Department,
being recorded.
Dean and Head of various department, faculties, and all the students. Once again, I heartily welcome you to the installation ceremony of Force 2021.
The truth and God to Ma Saraswati Devi, who is pure white like jasmine, with the coolness of moon, the brightness of snow, and shine like the garland of pearls. Salutations to Devi Saraswati, who is the giver of homes and fulfiller of wishes. O Devi, when we begin our work, please bestow on us the capacity of right understanding always. With this sacred and radiant spirit, I would like to invite Miss Prerna Itwale to present the Saraswati Vandana. Over to you, Prerna.
या कुन्दे तुषारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रान्विता या वीणातण्डुलितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना नमो 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 सरस्वती माँ नमो 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 सरस्वती माँ या ब्रह्मचित्तशङ्करा प्रभृतिवी दैवे सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा नमो 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 सरस्वती माँ नमो 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 सरस्वती माँ.
Thank you so much, Prerna, for this divine prayer. You have just blessed our ears. Moving forward, good memories are unforgettable, remaining ever vivid and heartwarming. So, let's relive some of these best memories over the past few years. I request our technical team to kindly play the video. Thanks a lot for that astonishing trip down the memory lane.
Mindset, habit, and routine are the building block for the success toward your wellness goal. With this enthusiastic spirit, we introduce you to our marvelous forum body of civil force and listing their names with their responsibilities. Starting with the class representative of the respective years. The class representative from second year, section AR, Dipendra Meshram and Parerna Itwale. From section BR, Kunal Satadev and Brunal Gawande. CRs from third year, section AR, Rajat Falke and Sneha Thakre. From section BR, Shubham Katare and Neha Upadhyay. CRs from fourth year, section AR, Sanket Dongre and Darshana Shinde. From section BR, Samyak Temburne and Pradhana Parshettiwar. To take the decision on behalf of the forum and will take on the duties to ensure everything runs smoothly. Here we present our committee members, Yogeshwar Dongarwar, Prashant Kumar Singh, Rohan Vadaskar, Binoy Bidhan Roy, Shubham Sahare, along with Aman Girepunje, Saurabh Rao, Ravi Sharma, Om Bulbule, and Achal Chakare.
A magazine is a publication with a paper cover which is issued regularly, usually every week or every month, and which contains articles, stories, news, and photographs. To emphasize and carry on publication and content writer of the departmental magazine, we have magazine publication in charge Ms. Renuka Shanvare and co-magazine publication in charge Ms. Sakshi Puthare. Cultural activities not only help students to develop themselves with the university, but also assist students to develop themselves in a desired field and also improve skills to execute and organize cultural activities. So we have Ms. Prachi Gedan and Ms. Vaidehi Shivankar as cultural in charges. Sports develop a sense of friendliness among the students and develop their team spirit. It helps students to develop mental and physical toughness. To plan for athletic programs and inculcate the sportsmanship spirit, we have our sports in charge, Mr. Piyush Sisode, and co-sports in charge, Ms. Pallavi Gaidhani and Mr. Praveen Parshuramkar.
The person which will be working behind all the innovative and creative posters, videos, invitations, and presentations. For that, we have our technical in charge, Mr. Harsh Parate. The team responsible for informating students about the placement drives. We have training and placement in charge, Mr. Aniket Vanaskar, along with Chaitanya Dharmik. To take care of the finance of the event, to put forth of the budget of the event organized, to plan the event in a lucrative manner, we present our treasurer, Ms. Harshita Porate, and co-treasurer, Mr. Mayur Bariwar.
To build team spirit among students and also spreading awareness about events, we have our executive member, Mr. Raj Revatkar. To help secretary in various tasks and also arranging meetings for common interest, we have our joint secretary, Mr. Yash Kokle, along with Mr. Uzaifa Siddhapurwala.
To motivate the students for active participation in the event organized, to arrange the meeting with the students, forum in charges, and the senior faculties to organize the program with common interest. We introduce our secretary, Mr. Amay Bilsare. Moving forward, to look for the smooth conduction of curricular and co-curricular activities throughout the session, also to work in cooperation with President. For that, we introduce you to Ms. Kumud Bogekar as our Vice President of FORCE 2021.
Plan and organize technical programs and activities to act as a link between student and organizing committee to encourage teamwork and bring students together for wellness of department, we present you our President of FORCE, Mr. Kaustav Datta.
Now it's time for oath ceremony. I request all the forum members to please turn their videos on. We promise to carry out the duties and responsibilities entrusted to us with courage and conviction, and above all to uphold the integrity of civil department at all the times. We hereby affirm that we will always honor the faith and trust repose in us, and will work selflessly and tirelessly for the prestige and glory of the force. With that thought, now I would like to invite President of the Force, Mr. Kaustav Datta. Please address us about the Force. Over to you, Kaustav.
Thank you, Kunal. Good afternoon to all the dignitaries present for the forum installation ceremony and all the faculties and students. I, Kaustav Datta, selected as president of Forum Force, would first of all like to thank the panel of forum interview to show the trust on me for the post I have been selected. The days I have spent in Forum Force in previous years, I have learned to be an independent, to be responsible, and most importantly, to work as team having same goal to accomplish greater heights. At the outset, the activities which can be offered by the forum may be may be on college level or university level. The structure of an event will be related to creative arts and cultural comprises of painting, sculpture, poetry, music, dance, etc. These would allow for creative expression. The other events we would like to conduct will be on literary activities, lectures by eminent people, physical activities involving reading a book slash article, writing its summary, and possibly debating, enacting a play, etc. People who are alumni, socially active in profession or in public life, must be invited for the lectures, also games and sports events, or at other suitable times according to the local climate. The continuous effort given by each and every member is the only way to develop the forum maturely. I would like to thank all of them who started this forum platform and have organized various activities, events, and competitions. This custom will always keep up the forum force to offer a remarkable college life and good experience. Forum force cannot be run by one person. It always needs a support. So I would like to thank to the biggest support my forum in charge and the teachers and mainly to all members who devoted themselves to the forum force. Lastly, being the president of force, I promise to work hard to strive for the students' benefit with my qualified team. Thank you.
Thank you so much, President.
Now, we would like to request our forum in charge of Civil Department, Force, Professor Pranita Bandari ma'am, to please kindly brief us about the force. Over to you, ma'am.
Buried deep with each of us is a spark of greatness, a spark that can be fanned into a flames of passion and achievement. That spark is not outside of you, it is born deep within you. Good afternoon, everyone. I, Pranita Bhandari, in charge of Forum Force, heartily welcome to our chief guest, Dr. A.N. Shrikhande Sir, Principal, Kids Ramdel. I also welcome Dr. N.P. Singh Sir, Principal, Priyadarshini College of Engineering, Dr. S.A. Dhate Sir, Vice Principal, Priyadarshini College of Engineering, Dr. R.M. Dhupre Sir, Head of Department of Civil Engineering, Professor V.S. Gupke Sir, Civil Engineering Department Coordinator, Heads, Deans, and faculties, and dear students. The forum is designed to conduct curricular and extracurricular activities to encourage students to enhance their ability and to expand the radius of their experiences. All work in the forum is designed to provide formative learning, which include critical thinking, reasoning, management skills, etc. These skills help students in internship and beyond graduation. Forum allows students to step out from their comfort zone and discover the things that you are good. Being completely aware of your strengths, weaknesses, needs, desires, and habits as early as now, we help you to choose a career path that is perfectly suited for you. It teaches you to be responsible when it comes to managing your time as well as your task. With this, it transforms you into a reliable and well-rounded person. It allows you to develop leadership skill within an environment of your peers through planning and implementing different activities and events like quiz competition, brick making competition, guest lectures to strengthen the knowledge of students, debate competitions to elevate the confidence of students, Apart from technical skills, students really require extracurricular skills such as sport. The event name is Sportacus, which enhance physical and mental ability of students. Craft brings out one's creativity and productivity at the same time, and therefore we have several events like Langori competitions, wall magazine competitions, tattoo competitions, Teachers' Day, and many more. The learnings that you can get from these activities are something that cannot be taught in the four corners of classroom. Dreams come true when you really work hard on it, because hard work always creates change. With this, I would like to thank all the wonderful people here and congratulations to newly selected forum president, Mr. Kaustav Datta and his amazing team. I wish to all a newly installed forum members a great success in everything they do. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We hope we won't let you down. Collaborate, don't dictate. Every department head has something to offer. Listen and gratefully accept their offerings, because they are movie makers too. Now, we request Dr. R.N. Roblester, HOD of Civil Department, to acknowledge us with your kind words.
Hello. Is it audible? Hello.
Yes, sir, you are.
Hi. Okay. Sorry. First, I would like to be sorry for because I had not joined because of some technical problem. So, chief guest of today's function, Dr. A.N. Srikhande, Principal Kids Ramtek. Respected Principal, Dr. M.P. Singh. Respected Vice Principal, Dr. S.A. Dhale. All deans, aides, faculty member, and all my dear students. Good afternoon to one and all, and warm welcome for this online installation student forum for 2021. So, I'm very much thankful to Dr. A. Srikhande, sir. He has accepted our invitation with a short time because I know he is very busy in other activities and share his valuable time for our function. I must congratulate the President, Kaustav Datta, Vice President Kumud Bhogekar, Secretary Amay Belsare, and all executive members of the forum. I know because we have selected these persons for the different posts through the interviews, and they are given very nicely. So now the responsibility is the whole responsibility goes to them. So how to manage this? So dear students, as you know that every college they have the different forums, different department, and the main objective of the forum is to work together and also to show the hidden talents what they have in curriculum as well as extracurriculum. So from this forum, you have to learn how to tackle the problem, because while executing the programs or any function, there are so many problems. So how to collect the money, then how to manage everything. So that you have to learn. So from that, you can learn about the time management, then teamwork. You learn the teamwork, also leadership, then soft skill, and good human being. Just I want to share to my dear students. So this is not only for activity that you have to learn so many things from this activity, particularly because when for the placement point of view, particularly in industry, only the academic is not good. If you are good in the academic, that is not enough. Now, along with the academics, other things are also required. That is particularly when you appear for the HR, they require the other. They also check your other, that is good leadership, whether the student have the good leadership, good team worker, then good academic, and if he is social or not, or good human being. Hence, we have provided this platform for you to gain this all the skills. So this is a platform. The college has given this platform for all the students so that they will enhance their activity, whatever the hidden talent they have. I know that every student will not get the same opportunity for work in the all portfolios, but they have to work hard. They contribute for this, even though they are not getting the post. So this is a request to Mr. Datta and other team members. They have to work very hard and do all the activities in a proper way. So I must congratulate also Bhandari Madam, forum in charge, then Gutke sir, and all the faculties of Civil Engineering Department for organizing such a wonderful function online. Once again, I am thankful to my friend, our chief guest, today's chief guest, Dr. A. N. Shrikhande, then our respected principal, Dr. M.P. Singh, respected vice principal, Dr. Hale sir, for dress this function. So within short time, because we have the shortage of time, so best wishes to all my students and enjoy by performing the different activities throughout the year. So thank you very much from my side. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your supportive words. A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops. Now, welcome to the department. Very compassionate and optimistic personality, Dr. S.A. Dhale, sir, Vice Principal of Priyadarshini College of Engineering. Over to you, sir.
Very good afternoon, all of you. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
You are perfectly audible.
Okay. At the outset, I congratulate the newly elected office bearer of Forum Force. And I welcome all the dignitaries and student friends in this online installation ceremony of Force for the academic session 21-22. Principal of Priyadarshini College of Engineering, Dr. M.P. Singh sir. Today's chief guest, a highly learned person and our good friend, Dr. A.N. Shrikhande sir from Kids Ramtech, who is here to share his view. Head of the department, Dr. Professor Rajesh Dobre sir, teacher in charge of the Forum Force, Pranita Bhandari madam, coordinator of the department, Vishal Gutke sir, other senior faculty members of the department, my dear student friend. I welcome you all in this particular installation ceremony. Friends, the concept and idea of this particular platform, what we call as a forum, is to develop the overall personality of the student in 360 degrees, because we know that nowadays industries are very much required. Industries is very much asking for the various different set of skill in the student. In spite of the technical knowledge, they require different altogether types of skill in the student, and they are searching for. And might be because of this, we are facing the problem. We means in general, the students are facing the problem at the time of the placement. So friend, to overcome this problem, we have developed the idea of this forum force, and under this forum, all the activities of the department, whatever the activities that we do conduct in the department, that has to be organized with the help of this particular forum, and the representative of the forums are the students, those who are newly elected office bearer of this forum. Whatever the activities, may it be curricular activity, co-curricular activity, extracurricular activity like sport, organizing different types of you can say competitions, or asking for different type of you can say extempore, or whatever the activities, or you can invite a talk and all such type of activity, or may it be a seminar, national seminar, international seminar, departmental activities. All these activities has to be organized through this forum with the guidance of the teacher in charge. So it will automatically give the set of skill how to organize and how to connect the people, how to develop the rapport amongst yourself. So because of this forum, you can certainly inculcate certain skill, imbibe certain things in your mind, and you can develop yourself. So this is the platform you get to groom your personality, because you require to grow your personality in 360 degree, then only you are sellable in the market. And while doing this, you require to take certain decision. And yeah, yes, and you have to be very fast in taking the decision, because friend, these are the 4 years where you have to groom yourself and you have to yes, come with the
वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा है, मैं मोबाइल से काम कर रहा हूँ।
my video
नहीं, लैपटॉप में तो मोबाइल से करता काम, पता नहीं
and
क्यों
you have to come with the flying colors. Am I audible or not?
वो बंद भी नहीं हो रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों।
Yes, I was.
Okay. So, friend, what I mean to say that कि these are the 4 crucial year of your life, जिसमें आपको बहुत सारी चीजें करना है, हमको डिसीजन भी फास्ट लेना है और बहुत सारी चीजें आगे करके हमको बहुत आगे बढ़ना है। अदरवाइज कैसा होता कि उम्र दराज से मांग के लाए थे 4 दिन, 2 इंतजार में गुजर गए और 2 आपकी राह में गुजर गए। तो मैं नहीं चाहता कि किसी के इंतजार में और किसी के राह में कुछ दिन गुजर जाए। 4 साल आपके पास है, बहुत सारी आपको चीजें करना है, किसी की राह नहीं देखना है, आगे बढ़ना है। because we know that the height of the successful person reach and keep is not attained by the sudden flight, but when his companion were asleep he was toiling his personal light. तो दोस्तों, ऊंचाई तभी मिलती है जब तुम अपनी रातें खराब करते हो। बिना रातें खराब करके आप कोई मंजिल को नहीं पा सकते। तो ये चीजें ध्यान में रखो। और बस इसी 2 शब्द के साथ मैं अपने वाणी को विराम दूंगा इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, बिकॉज चीफ गेस्ट इज देयर and he has many things to share with the student. So once again I thank the organizer, I thank everybody for giving me the opportunity to be here for this program. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for such an inspiring words. Perfection consists not in doing extraordinary things, but in doing ordinary things extraordinarily well.
To be inspired is great, but to be an inspiration is an honor. This morning, we are graced by the presence of our esteemed chief guest of the day, Dr. Avinash N. Srikhande, who is not only a man of virtue and simplicity, but also a living inspiration of hundreds of students. Dr. A. N. Srikhande is presently working as a principal at Kavikulguru Institute of Technology and Science, and he has been serving this institute from past 30 years. He has been awarded PhD by VNIT Nagpur in 2012 and is also a recipient of Gold Medal Award in BE Civil from College of Engineering, Badmera. Presently, he is recognized PhD supervisor and 4 research scholars are pursuing PhD under his supervision at Research Center of Kids. Sorry, sir. At Research Center of Kids Ramtek in Nagpur. At present, he is a chairman of a board of studies civil engineering at RTMNA, and he is also a member of third-party inspection committee for civil engineering construction work at Municipal Council Ramtek. He is recipient of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Fellowship Award for his academic, social, and cultural contribution in the society. Also, he is a member of popular professional associations like ISTE, IWWA, Institute of Engineering, and Indian Concrete Institute. Apart from his academic and social accomplishment, he also excels in the field of his hobby, that is singing. He won first prize twice in singing competition held for University Degree College Professor at Kamla Nehru Vidyalaya, Nagpur, and is also involved in many singing programs on social media. And in particular titled program, Guru Shakshat Swara Brahma, organized every year on Teachers' Day. May I now invite our chief guest, Dr. A. N. Srikhande, sir, to please embrace the student with your inspiring words. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Ingman. Very nice to introduce. Thank you very much. Respected Dr. M.P. Singh, sir, Principal, Priyadarshini College of Engineering. Dr. S. Dhale, sir, Vice Principal, Priyadarshini College of Engineering. Dr. R.M. Doble, sir, my very good friend of mine, Head of Department, Civil Engineering. Professor Gutke, coordinator, Professor Pranita ma'am, forum in charge, all the faculty members of civil department and all other departments of Priyadarshini College of Engineering, and in special the office bearers of the force and all representative student of this jumbo team. I have seen that the team is very big, huh? Good. Looking to the team, I expect that there will be something really going to happen better for this year. Very good afternoon to all. I feel very happy to be a part of this forum force today. And in the beginning, I should appreciate everyone for this title given to the forum as a force. Because generally, I have been seeing this title as a civil engineering association, civil engineering student association, or some other association. But looking to this title, really, I was impressed. Because this title itself has a force to do. That is motivational title. See, if we think very positively, even title also matters. So force title itself gives you the force to work. Okay. Anyway, dear friends, since last almost 1.5 years, we all, you and me, and all, we are struggling and waiting for meeting to each other. It always says, Shikshak Vidyarthanna Gadavata. But since last 1.5 years, we are missing the student. And after missing the student, we could understand that not only Shikshak Vidyarthanna Gadata, but Vidyarthan Mule Suddha Shikshak Gadto. Why I said this? Because we are so connected with each other that we are always mold ourselves, we teacher always mold ourselves as per your requirements. Let's hope now, after Diwali, the Maharashtra state government, AICT and DT, then university have permitted to work together, and we hope for the best. Will be working together physically. Now let's discuss why force. Why such type of the forum? Is it really required? My 100% opinion, 100% it is required. Now I'll give the reason, but then I'll come to the point. See, nowadays what happened? Every student start preparing for their entrance examination like MSCET, JEE, NEET, either from 11th, 12th, or there are the few students, those who are starting their preparation even from 8th and 9th standard. And then your journey start, study, study, study. Finally, we get the good score. Then we get the admission for desired college. And then again start, study, study, study. Even some of the families I have noticed, during the studies of the children, the parents are so scared, they provide everything to the student at their disposal. Their always conversation is, tu phakta abhyas kar. Okay, it's okay. It's really good. See, academic always matters. Always matters. I don't say. That is very, very important. Then what about the other matters? Who will teach you this? And how can you get this? Because of this, study, during this process, the close relatives are also not known. I have seen some children do not come out of their room during their studies. Even whosoever the relative come inside the house. In our days, we were very much close to our parents, all relatives. It may be kaka, mama, atya, maushi, anybody. And we were having that connection with each other. And we are scared of them also. But little we have become self-centered nowadays. We, papa, I, sister, brother. And no social contacts. Now it's very difficult when you come to the real professional life, either to study or if not study, if you come to your profession of working, then it becomes very difficult because during that time you do not have social contact. Life also cannot go like this. Though the academic is important, but equally social aspects are very important. Then from where we'll get it? we get it from such a forum, force. It's a really very important platform where you can learn a lot. We start learning how to work together in the group, how to behave with the teachers, how to behave with the seniors, juniors even, what to talk and what not to. Your communication skill, your writing skill, these all are improved through it. Even just now, Dr. Dhale sir and Doble sir both have said, nowadays even for job placement also, company or any organization needs candidate who is good at all, not only in studies, not only in academics, good at all. They watch your body language, they watch your way of speaking. Everything is counted. Generally, companies conduct 3 different steps of selection process. First is written test, then followed by the group discussion, and then interview. Written test, after getting through to the written test, when matter comes of group discussion, there your social contacts, your social aspect, your leadership is counted. I know everyone has some or other hidden talent. Nobody has left by the Almighty without any talent. That talent has to be taken outside from us. And this is the only platform, like a course, where we can show our talent and we can improve. You can have your self-confident to talk, to behave. During this process, what happened? Your inferiority goes away. Otherwise, I will tell you, always we curse ourselves. मी असं करू शकत नाही, मी तसं करू शकत नाही, हे माझं काम नाही, ते त्याचंच काम आहे. You will be noticing now, if the number of students in a forum is around 300 or 200, whatever it be, then you will see that repeatedly the same faces are coming out. Because we have some inferiority complex among us. I request all senior students, so please guide your junior student as far as this anchoring part is concerned. You just guide them, irrespective of anything. You guide them how you should come out and assign them the duties if they don't. Because all the time, only second year, final year student or third year student will not do. Start from the even second year or first year level only, so that they can come and they can show their talents. Again, more important, such an inferiority and negativity is in our mind. And then we start discussing and we start ourselves counting. मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है? For example, somebody says, मैं जब 10th में था या 10th में थी तब सिलेबस बदल गया. मैं जब JEE देने आया तब पैटर्न चेंज हो गया. जब B करने लगा तो कोरोना आ गया. See, these uncontrollable factors that is beyond our control. We should not think about that. We have to think what is in our hand. Whatever is in our hand, that has to be just do it. Irrespective of result. Result will come automatically. I don't know how many of you have studied in Marathi medium. But at present, our generation, Dhale sir's generation, Singh sir's generation, Doble sir's generation, we feel really the learning has to be done only in the regional languages. We have learned from the Marathi medium. And in Marathi medium, there are very good phrases. Mani म्हणतात त्याला. In Marathi, there is the phrase, जगी सर्व सुखी असा कोण आहे, विचारी मना तूच शोधून पाहे. Nobody is happy. And nobody is perfect. It not only happened with a single person, it happens with everybody. So don't carry any inferiority. मेरे साथ में होता है, मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ, मैं तो मनुष्य हूँ, मेरे पेरेंट भी मुझे बोलते हैं, मेरे दोस्त लोग भी बोलते हैं, कुछ नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. You are the best. You are the best among all. When I say the best, it means best. I am not saying better. You are the best. Don't compare with anybody. This comparison matter with anybody always make us dukhi. Because while comparing our life with someone, we don't compare with the lower person. We always compare our life with the higher person. कभी आपने देखा होगा कि आपसे जो गरीब है इकोनॉमिकली या आपसे जो कम पढ़ता है, हम उसके साथ में कंपेयर करते? कभी नहीं। हम लोग कंपेयर किसके साथ में करते? जो हमसे रीच है, जो हमसे अच्छा है। और यही सबसे बड़ा कारण है, दुख का कारण है। We always become unhappy because of this process. That has not to be done. In that case, we should be very careful that I should live my own life. I will not compare. Another phrase in Marathi, ठेविले अनंते तैसेची राहावे, चित्ती असू द्यावे समाधान. तुकाराम महाराज म्हणतात, ठेविले अनंते तैसेची राहावे, चित्ती असू द्यावे समाधान. Don't compare. Whatever has been given to, I should be happy in that. Particularly this doesn't happen, and that's why we are unhappy. So that's why be happy, don't worry. I will give the 4 good examples of the दुखी लोग. दुनिया में 4 प्रकार के लोग दुखी हैं. एक तो वो दुखी है, नंबर 1 एग्जांपल देता हूं आपको, जो खुद अपने दुख से दुखी है. वो तो सबके साथ में कॉमन है. किसी को होगा हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, किसी को और कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, मनी प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. सो दिस ऑल कॉमन विद एवरीबॉडी. ठीक है. अब दिस इज वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल कि एक दुखी वो है जो जिसको खुद के दुखी है. दूसरा दुख कौन सा है? कभी कभार हम लोग दूसरे का दुख देखकर भी दुखी हो जाते हैं. समथिंग वेंट रॉन्ग इन द नियर बाय फैमिली और इन द रिलेटिव्स और सो, then we feel very sorry. यार ऐसा नहीं होना था, बहुत अच्छी फैमिली थी, ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहता. लेकिन ऐसा कितना होता है? ये मोमेंटरी रहता है. ये दुख बड़ा मोमेंटरी है, कुछ समय के लिए है. उसके बाद में हम लोग चलो ठीक है, विल गो. अब तीसरा दुख बड़ा विचित्र दुख है. ये इसलिए दुखी है क्योंकि आगे वाला बहुत ज्यादा सुखी है. अरे गेटिंग मी? ये अगर हम लोग ऑनलाइन नहीं होते, ऑफलाइन होते तो मजा आता. आपके चेहरे की हंसी देख के मुझे मजा आता. ये तीसरा जो दुख है वो किसी के सुखी होने से दुख है. ये कंपटीशन का पार्ट भी हो सकता है, इट मे बी. अब चौथा दुख तो बहुत ही खतरनाक है. इट्स रियली वेरी स्ट्रेंज. इट्स सेइंग लाइक दिस, ये खामखा दुखी है. खामखा, कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. जहां बैठ गया वहीं से उसका चालू. ये पंखा यहां नहीं होना चाहिए था, ये पंखा लगाने वाले ने यहाँ क्यों लगाया, यहाँ लगाया होता तो ज्यादा अच्छा लगता. क्लासरूम में बैठ गया तो अपने कॉलेज में तो ऐसे ही है, कॉलेज में. क्योंकि देखिए, जब यहाँ हम लोग जिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करते हैं, जिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में पढ़ते हैं, इंस्टेड ऑफ अप्रिशिएटिंग दैट इंस्टीट्यूशंस और दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वी ऑलवेज कर्स. हालांकि हमने बाकी भी बाहर देखा नहीं है, बाकी दुनिया देखी नहीं है, फिर भी हम लोग we are not happy with our organization. This is again common factor which I have been experiencing since many time. तो ये चौथा वाला दुखी है ना, ये उसमें आता है. कभी दुखी नहीं है, पंखा क्यों लगाया. इवन टीवी पर मैच देखते देखते भी बोल देता है कि वो विराट कोहली ने ऐसा चौका लगाया था, छक्का लगाया होता तो आज मैच जीत जाते. अरे भाई तू कौन होता है? अननेसेसरी. So like that. So this all different types of dukh, it happens with everybody. So my advice at the end of my speech, number 1, don't compare your life. Some disturbances are coming. May I request, please switch off your microphones. So number 1, don't compare your life with anyone. You are the best. You are made best by the Almighty for your life. Live your own life. My life is the best. Third, try to be always be happy, not to in worry. क्योंकि जरूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा ही आपके साथ में सुख आएगा, कब दुख भी आएगा. तो दुख के साथ में भी हैप्पी हो जाओ. आज निकल जाएगा. तो आपने देखा होगा अमिताभ बच्चन की कविता बहुत सी तरह से हमने देखी है व्हाट्सएप पे, गुजर जाएगा, ये भी गुजर जाएगा. हमने पैंडेमिक पीरियड में बहुत बार सुना है लाइक दैट. Okay. So finally, I should advise you to take advantage of forum as more as possibly. Compulsory participate in the activities of force. I wish the organizing team, as well as the participating team, my level best for your forthcoming activities. I wish your life will also run with the force as the title indicated. I wish you all a very happy Diwali. And at the last, I thank organizer, in particular, Dr. Dhale sir, Dr. Dhoble sir, Pranita ma'am, and all others who has given me this opportunity to have a dialogue with you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. विद्यार्थीमुळे पण शिक्षण घडतो. And we agree, sir. It is so true that you said. Yes, we are being so busy in studies. We are not being able to do social contact as always, hiding under four walls. And this is the platform we made for so that acquire the truck of load and tons of skills. And thank you so much for your motivation. And happy Diwali to you, sir.
Thank you.
Now, we would like to welcome our very majestic, creative, and inspiring personality, Dr. M.P. Singh, sir, Principal of Priyadarshini College of Engineering. Sir, we request you to please influence us with your inspiring words. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Kunal. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
I am having the video problem, so I will continue with the audio only. The chief guest of the today function, Dr. Avinash Srikhande, sir, Dr. S.A. Dhale, Vice Principal of the Institute, Dr. Rajesh Dhobre, Head of Department, Bhandari Madam, in charge, Faculty in charge Force, Vishal Gutke, sir, and my dear students. At the outset, I really congratulate you all the way you have conducting this program itself over there. Bhandari Madam already have briefed about the force and the activity which is going to be conducted throughout the year. And naturally, the force is always vibrant and conducted many activities which are going to be useful for the students. I also thank this our chief guest who has briefed about your कितने प्रकार के दुख होते हैं और how to be happy, and naturally we should follow that rules, and these rules are going to be very useful naturally in future also. Now with your head of department, Dhoble sir, is again very creative and having the new idea, and definitely also heading the post Dean R&D, it is going to be beneficial for your department. I consider the new team of the force which is elected with Kosto Datta and Kumud Bogekar. I wish the team, and I hope this team is going to lead for this academic session, and they might be having a good plan for the growth of the student. I wish them all the best, and I wish all of you a very happy Deepavali. Thank you very much. Now over to Kunal.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. We all are really blessed to have all the teachers like you.
I would like to request Vice President of Force, Ms. Kumud Bogekar, to present a vote of thanks. Over to you, Kumud.
Thank you, Vaidehi. Showing gratitude is one of the simplest yet most powerful things humans can do for each other. I, Kumud Bogekar, Vice President of Force, on behalf of Civil Department of Priyadarshini College of Engineering and the entire fraternity of Forum, first of all, thank and extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success. With His blessings and grace, we are able to make the event what it was. On behalf of Forum Force, I extend a sincere vote of thanks to our chief guest, Dr. A.N. Srikhande, sir, who spared time from his busiest schedule to grace the occasion. Today, we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely encourage us in our future events. Our gratitude to our respected Dr. M.P. Singh, sir, Principal PCE, for gracing the occasion and sharing their opinions today. Heartiest thank you to our respected Dr. S.A. Dhale, sir, Vice Principal PCE, for his constant presence during this ceremony. Your thoughts have always enlightened our minds and have shown us a right path. And we would also like to acknowledge our gratitude to Dr. R.M. Dhoble, sir, HOD of Civil Department PCE, for his constant support and gracious presence. With deep sense of appreciation, we thank our determined Professor V.S. Gudke Sir, Department Coordinator of Civil Department PCE. A special mention to our respected Professor Pranita Bandari Ma'am, Forum in charge of Force, for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and always stood as pillar of strength. On this special occasion, I would like to extend a profound gratitude to all the deans, HODs, faculties for always supporting and motivating to do a good cause in a perfect way. We would like to express a hearty gratitude to all the members of Forum Force who joined us today to make this event more success. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated students of Forum Force who always work on a result-oriented path. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the audience who joined us to grace this occasion and make this installation ceremony a grand success. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Kumar. Congratulations to each and every elected students in the forum body of Force 2021. Also, we welcome every individual student apart from forum body with open arms who are seeking opportunities to explore themselves. We are the team with the biggest heart, best preparation, deepest passion, stronger together, and brave to succeed. Individually, we are one job. Together, we are an mission.
So always end the day with a positive thought, no matter how hard things were. Tomorrow is a fresh opportunity to make it better. With this thought, we come to end of the ceremony. And last but not the least, thank you so much everyone for being for part of Forum installation ceremony of Civil Department and gracing the occasion with your presence. Thank you so much everyone. You all may leave now. Have a good day. Stay safe, be healthy, and happy Diwali.
Thank you, Kunal. Very nicely you have anchored the program. Very nicely. Very good. Well done.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everybody. See you again. Once again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.